Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss A Tale of Two Cities by चार्ल्स डिकेंस। ये बहुत सारे सिलेबस में मिल जाता है और इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हम देखने वाले हैं और ये LNMU के क्वेश्चंस मैंने लिए हुए हैं। LNMU के पार्ट 2 के एग्ज़ाम के सब्सिडरी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है और बाकी बहुत जगह इसका यूज़ हो जाता है। तो नाउ वी विल मूव टू द questions. A Tale of Two Cities opens in 1775. Which of the following doesn't characterize this period? The answer is C. The guillotine stands as a much feared fixture on the streets of Paris. Why are the drivers of the Dover mail coach hesitant to stop for Jerry Cruncher's message? Because they fear that he is a highwayman attempting to rob the passengers. What objects does Dr. Manette keep during his imprisonment in order to escape in spirit? The answer is a lock of his wife's hair. डॉक्टर मैनेट हमेशा अपने साथ अपने वाइफ का हेयर का एक टुकड़ा रखते थे. By what name do the men in Defarge's wine shop call their fellow revolutionaries? Answer is Jacques. Okay. Now question number 5. What skill did Dr. Manette develop in order to pass the time during his incarceration? Answer is shoemaking. What symbol does Dickens use to pretend the bloodshed of the French Revolution? The broken wine cask. During her testimony, to whom does Lucy claim that Charles Darnley allude on the boat ride from Calais to Dover? Answer is George Washington. After Darnley's acquittal, why does Sidney Carton claim to dislike him? Darnley reminds him of how far he has fallen and everything he might have been. To which animal does Dickens compare Sidney Carton? A jackal. A Tale of Two Cities was published in weekly installments from April to November of what year? 1859. What images does Dickens frequently use to describe Lucy Manette? A golden thread. What sound does Lucy often hear echoing off the street when she is in her home? Footsteps. Which of the following characters is related to the Marquis who runs down a small child? Charles Darnley. Who does Miss Prose believe in the Lucy? Sorry. Who does Miss Prose believe is the ideal suitor for Lucy Manette? Her brother Solomon. Miss Prose's brother Solomon. What does Mr. Lorry try to persuade Mr. Stryver not to do? Answer is propose to Lucy Manette. What promises Lucy Manette that he would, if necessary, die for her? Who promises? Who promises? Sidney Carton. Okay. What does Jerry Cruncher frequently go out to do at night? Dig up bodies in the cemetery. Who informs the Defarges that Lucy Manette has married Charles Darnley? John Burchard. On the night after Lucy and Charles are married, what does Dr. Manette do? He reverts to his prison pastime of making shoes. During the storming of the Bastille, who decapitates the fortress guard? Answer is Madame Defarge. Why does the Paris mob kill Fallen B? Because he suggested that starving people should eat grass. What is the duration of Manette's psychological relapse after Lucy leaves for her honeymoon? 9 days. Who develops a habit of watching and speaking to Lucy as she waits on a Paris street corner each day, hoping that Darnley will be able to see her from his prison window? A wood swayer. Who does the spy John Burson turn out to be? A Miss Prose's brother Solomon. Why was Dr. Manette imprisoned? C. Because the Marquis Eamon feared that Manet would reveal one of the Marquis's dark secrets. Who is Miss Pro's brother, whose real name is Solomon, and a British spy, John Burson? What is Charles Darnay's real name? Evermont. Real last name Evermont. Whose side occupation is as a resurrection man, Jerry Cruncher. What saves Sidney Carton from his self-proclaimed wasted life? His love for Lucy. What did Monsieur Defarge do before he was a wine shop owner and a revolutionary? B. He was Dr. Manet's servant. So that's it, guys. I will upload more videos. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.